Hello my darlings, it's Oksana from Leopard with you again, and today we're going to learn how to do makeup with sparkle. Actually joking, makeup with glitter. So as you can see, first of all I'm using an IX mixed glitter primer. And this is what I'm going to apply to the inside corner of my eye and also in the middle part of the lid. As you can see, I like to put the product, the primer, on the back of my hand first. Then I'm tapping my brush and gently placing this on my eye in the corner and in the middle. I also go slightly in the crease and above the crease if the glitter is the only thing that I use. As you probably know, we usually use the glitter when we already have our eyeshadow on our eyes and we're adding the glitter to the makeup. But today I just would like to show you how to do your eye with no eyeshadow, only using the two colors of our glitter palette. And here's our glitter palette. It's also an IX mix and it's a glitter gloss. You can see I have a lot of colors in here, and usually for competition I like to use a lot of glitter in my makeup. And I usually trying to find the color that matches my color of the dress. But here is just for demonstration purposes, I decided to choose the green color, and as you can see, I'm placing it right now on my eye where I placed the primer before. So for that, I'm using the different brush. The brush is actually more flat, not a soft brush. And with that brush, I'm just trying to tap, just because I'm using the glitter, not regular eyeshadow. So as you can see, I'm trying to place it a little bit more on the crease and a little bit above to create my holiday look. Just want to say very quickly that I purposely wanted to do something different today. I just wanted to create the makeup only from the glitter, and it's also this makeup can be used not only for the competitions and not only for specific parties. Sometimes when we feel a little down, I would recommend you to try to do it for everyday look. As you already probably noticed, I already showed you the glitter palette again where I chose the black glitter. And I just would like to show you that you always can put it in the outside edge of your eye to create a better definition, better look for your eye. But notice I only using two colors so far, the green glitter and the black glitter. As you can see, I'm using the same brush as I used before for the green glitter, and I'm just tapping it on the outside edge of my eye. By the way guys, let me know if you'd like to see makeup where I'm using the eyeshadows and I'm using glitter as well. In the future, I will be happy to show you if you request. And the last step of our tutorial will be that we'll take our clean blending brush and we are going to just slightly smudge the edges of our glitter. So as you can see, the glitter goes slightly over the crease, a little bit above. Just would like to mention that you don't need to put the concealer or eyeshadow primer on your lid before, because you're already going to put the glitter primer, so it's kind of replacing one each other. So I'm going to use the same blending brush for another eye, and here you go. You have makeup only from glitter colors, so I would call you have a glitter makeup. And now guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know what type of makeup you would like to do with me next time. Bye!